going to make you understand about the disease causing microorganisms of plants and animals of class 8 chapter microorganisms. In last video I have made you understand these microorganisms, disease causing microorganisms in human beings. What are the diseases caused by them? What are the symptoms and preventive measures? This all I have made you understand in my last video. Today I am going to make you understand this disease causing microorganisms in plants and animals. ये क्या इनका असर होता है इन microorganisms का? Just like human beings also, just like human beings, ठीक human beings की तरह plants and animals में भी different types के जो है causative agents हैं जो कि disease cause करते हैं microorganisms हैं. Bacteria, virus, fungi, these all are disease causing microorganisms. I am going to explain some of them. And their infections, what happen in animals. First of all, I am going to explain in animals. There is a disease, well-known disease called anthrax. Anthrax is the disease which is caused not only in cattle, it is also caused in human beings also. And this is bacterial disease. In which what happened, and this is caused by a bacteria named Bacillus anthracis. What is the name of the bacteria? Bacillus anthracis. What are the symptoms? In this disease what happened? All cattle, they start getting fever, high fever. And due to this, do you know what happened? They get some problems in their respiratory system as well as their cardiac system may also get affected. ना ही उनका सिर्फ रेस्पिरेशन बल्कि उनके हार्ट में भी ये इन्फेक्शन जाता है और ये इसमें कन्वल्शंस भी आते हैं. कन्वल्शंस मीन्स जो एनिमल है हाई फीवर की वजह से फेंट भी कर सकता है और शेकिंग ऑफ द बॉडी एंड दिस इज अ वेरी रैपिड सिम्टम्स. ये इतना फास्ट होता है एनिमल्स में कि समटाइम्स इसको समझते समझते एनिमल्स जो है वो खत्म हो जाता है. The animals die. So this is very fast and rapid and very harmful disease. This is what is known as anthrax. What it is called? Anthrax. It is a bacterial disease. The second one is foot and mouth disease in cattle. This is also viral. In this what happened? Blister starts appearing in the mouth. Not only in the mouth, but also in near the toes or in their leg part, in their teeth. So this, because of that, animal stops eating. It stops eating, and because of lack of food, it stops giving very less amount of yield. They start doing. Animals के मुंह में, animals के पैरों में, एनिमल्स के टीथ्स में छाले हो जाते हैं जिनकी वजह से उनका खाना पीना बंद हो जाता है और इसका असर ये होता है कि जो एनिमल्स है वो बहुत ही जल्दी वीक हो जाते हैं एंड दे स्टॉप्स गिविंग देयर यील्डिंग मींस व्हाट दैट मिल्क गिविंग एनिमल स्टॉप्स गिविंग गुड अमाउंट ऑफ मिल्क also. So this is what happened in this disease known as foot and mouth disease, which is viral. Now bird flu. The third one is bird flu. This is very common. We have heard about this bird flu. This is also viral diseases. It occurs in poultry birds. But you know, ये disease जो है बहुत जल्दी ना ही सिर्फ bird में बल्कि different animals में and human beings में spread हो जाते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि these birds may release the viruses through their saliva, through their excreta, and those who are non-vegetarian, if they eat these infected birds, they also get infected. So not only birds but also human beings and animals get infected with this bird flu. What is the symptoms of this bird flu? Same, that it has a if anyone is infected with this bird flu, they get fever, high fever, nausea, headache, body ache, and this is also fatal. बहुत ही ज़्यादा ये harmful disease है. Swine flu. This swine flu also we have heard. It occurs in pig. So it's a viral disease. but there are a large population, they eat pork. Means what? Pig's meat. So obviously, as I told you, it is viral disease, so it spreads very highly. So it gets spreaded, ये बहुत जल्दी फैलता है, क्योंकि जो भी इन्हें खाता है, अगर कोई इन्फेक्टेड पॉक को खाता है तो वो स्प्रेड कर जाता है, ना ही सिर्फ ह्यूमन बींग्स में बल्कि एनिमल्स में. So these all are treated. The treatment of these all disease is vaccination. If animals and human beings and these poultry birds are vaccinated at the proper time, then they are protected from such kind of diseases. They are protected from such kind of diseases. And another thing is what? There should be proper shading, proper rearing and caring of these animals. Now let us go through the plants disease. What are these plants diseases? Plants disease may occur in wheat, rice, potato, sugarcane, orange, apple. Means there are so many plants producing items you can see. So in them, these all are the crops. In them different types of diseases occur. They may be bacterial, they may be viral, and they may be fungal also. For example, this rust in wheat. Rust means we know well, no? आयरन में क्या लगता है? रस्ट लगता है, जिसे हम जंग बोलते हैं, है ना? Red color of appearance, powder appearance starts appearing on the iron when it comes in contact with air and moisture. जब किसी भी लोहे को बाहर एयर एंड मॉइस्चर के कांटेक्ट में फ्री छोड़ दिया जाता है तो उनमें रस्ट आ जाता है. और ये रस्ट क्या होता है? ब्राउन कलर का पाउडरी सब्सटेंस होता है. वो क्या करता है? लोहे को गलाना शुरू कर देता है. Such kind of appearance starts on wheat. Wheat के leaves में, wheat के stem में brown color of structure starts appearing, and what they do? They become porous. They make the leaves, they make the stem porous. And due to that, do you know what happened? Due to that, this yield is affected. जो yield होता है, crop production जो होता है, वो affected हो जाता है. Production बिल्कुल less हो जाता है. Same is there in yellow vein mosaic ladyfingers. This is also viral. It occurs in vegetables, and they start affecting their root part, their leaves part, their stem part, and because of that, their yield stops. And they lack the proper growth and development. उसकी वजह से जो crops, जितने bumper crops हमें मिलते हैं, वो बिल्कुल कम हो जाते हैं. ये direct effect करता है. So how to be prevented by these kind of disease? How to protect these plants from these diseases? Very simple. That time to time these plants must be given chemical spray. There are chemicals sold in the market for the different diseases. Like for bacteria, bactericides is there. For viral diseases, they have some kind of spray. And for fungal diseases also, fungicides are found in the market. So time to time, as per the requirement, such kind of chemicals should be spreaded on the leaves, on the plants in the agricultural field. To protect these plants from such kind of diseases. अपने plants को, अपने crops को बचाने के लिए हमें इन chemicals का छिड़काव time to time, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, समय समय पर infectious agents को देखते हुए छिड़काव करते रहना चाहिए. This is what the way of protecting our plants and assuring a bumper crop. So this all was there of about disease causing microorganisms in animals and plants. I hope you understood it well. अगर आपने समझ लिया है तो आप प्लीज कमेंट लिखिए कमेंट बॉक्स में जाके और बताइए कि आपने ये समझा कि नहीं. If you understood, then please reply some of the questions I am going to ask you. These questions are like, write some viral diseases of plants and animals. What are the symptoms of anthrax? And what are the symptoms of bird flu and swine flu? In what kind of animals bird flu occurs? And in what kind of animals swine flu occurs? How these swine flu and bird flu get spreaded? Write some plants diseases. What do you mean by rust in wheat? What do you mean by rust in wheat? And what do you mean by yellow vein mosaic in lady's finger? And if you see you can answer these all questions, it means yes, you have understood it well. So thank you all of you. Wait for the next video. In my next video, I will be explaining about the food poisoning and food preservation. Food poisoning and food preservation. Thank you all of you.